Hey YouTube, I just want to thank you guys for coming to my channel. As usual, I appreciate the love. I've got a lot of support from you guys that sending me direct messages. No, guys, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm being humble. I'm being thankful. I want to give a quick shout out to a YouTuber that I came across by accident. I was doing some research, and it's I think Chris Sane his name is. And I was looking at a video for Workhorse Group. The ticker code is WKHS. Now, the stock was trading just around, I think, $8 or $9 per share at that time. I came across it and I did my research. I jumped on it at around $9.05. And then Monday, that was last Friday. And then this Monday, and the stock shot up to $15, right? So just over on like 30 something percent, almost like 40% high. And then I cash out at $15. It went up to 15.40. I exit the trade at 15, and the stock came back down to as low as $12, I believe, and it came down to like $12.80 around that mark. And I entering back into the trade, and I'm happy to say I'm glad I did, because this morning it shot up another 35-40%. It's now trading just over 18.52. It was down earlier as well because it shots up to 18.52. I exit at 18.38. I jump back in just around 17.80. So I'm watching my trades right now as it go. Yeah, I'm debating, guys. My plan is right now is to take my capital out and leave all the profit that I made. Actually, half the profit I made. I'll take 50% profit. Take profit all day, guys. Take profit. Try to have a diverse portfolio. I always do that, man. Diversify your portfolio at all costs. So my plan is I went in, I make a few like trades here and there, and now I'm really thinking to take my profit plus, and I take 50% of my profit plus my original capital, and then I'll leave the rest of my profit in for long term. Now I do know there's high growth to the stock, as you can see. 1880. I'm hoping to cross $20 this morning so I can exit and leave half my profit in. But it's Workhorse WKHS. They're using the former General Electric facility to manufacture and generate those like courier like trucks, like those UPS and FedEx, those big ugly trucks that we normally see back in the day. Now, I do know with FedEx especially, they're using more of the sprinters these days. So I'm not sure if there wasn't a deal in place with Ford or with Dodge. So I'll look to see, most likely they're targeting UPS to see if they can get a deal break with those guys. Now, again, the stock is trading on high volume, at just over 71 million volume this morning. Now, I do know that they had some news earlier. That's probably one of the reasons why the stock is pumping. It says here, the last news I saw is that Workhorse secures 70 million financing deal from institutional investors. So basically, now the big guns are coming in now because they start to see the movement is going. So definitely, the stock have a high upside to it. For anyone that's thinking to invest, please do your research. Now, as usual, guys, I'm not a licensed financial broker or a financial advisor, so by no means I'm trying to tell you what to buy and what not to buy. But I came across a stock exactly how you're doing my video right now, right? The exact same way how you're actually watching my video, taking the time to see what I'm talking about. This is exactly how I came across this stock. I was browsing YouTube. I saw a video from, I believe his name is Chris Sane. I don't remember exactly the last part of his video, but he was discussing about Workhorse and said it's a great upside to it, and how be careful when it's at its its year's high, because it was trading at its high peak. I believe it was $11 with its high peak, and it drops to $9. So he was precaution people. You know what? Please do your research just in case there's a huge pullback. You don't want to be stuck into it. Now, when I did the research very quickly, like 30 minutes, I do like a few articles. I look at the history of the price movements in the market, and then I read up exactly what you're doing, and I thought about it. I'm like, you know what? It's all about going green these days. With all these companies these days coming out with green car, we see BMW, we see Porsche, we see Range Rover, we see Ford and Volkswagen like invest to merge to have electric vehicle plants. So it only makes sense that in the world today, especially with the coronavirus, we can see that more shoppings are doing online. There's been more packages moving from point A to point B. So at some point in time, they will try to compensate with the environment to see if they can have a vehicle that's not polluting the air. So I think there's great potential for this company. Um, I've tested it myself. Like I normally try to test a company first, right? I try to test the buy a stock to see how it's trade. I'll try to make 2 or 3 trades to see in the day to see, hey, is this something I could trade short term or if it's something I could think about long term? And so far, like both my options are working. I'm in this stock since Friday. It's today is Tuesday, June 30th. And so far, with the trades I made back and forth, I could see with every trade I made, I was profitable. And that's the main thing you want to see with any investment. If you go in, you want to see if it's profitable, if it's not profitable. I'm a day trader myself. I do have long term positions in a lot of companies as well. I'm more in the cannabis and energy and financial retail. I mean, everything pretty much, right? So I trade a lot in Forex market as well. So I've tried all different types of investment. I'm in real estate investment as well. I do have a few properties that I have rented out, and I'm hopefully to generate some high profit from the stock market before I really want to wish you guys all the best. But I'm telling you, do your research and take a look out at this company. I know it's trading at its all-time high right now at 1860 to 1870. It's hard to really think about of going in right now because you do understand that there may be a pullback at a certain point. I've seen it throughout the day. Pulls from like 1840 down to 1775, then goes back to like 1840, come back down to 1780. Now it goes up as high as 1890 right now. It didn't break the $19 mark, which I was waiting for to see, but it's up $4.26, just over 29% right now. It was up as high as 30 something percent. So if you guys are looking into the market, you can see if you go back here in the history of this stock here. If we go back, say 10 days, you can see what we're dealing with here. Back on June 19, that's less than 10 days ago. You can see it was just trading just around $4.78. If we go back for a month, this was basically a penny stock pretty much. See, it was down in the $2 and change. If we go back to when the coronavirus hit us, you can see the numbers, right? $1.88. So in literally speaking, in 2 months, if you did have this stock in 2 months, just think about it this way. If you did have a 10,000 investment at $1.80 back in like April, and if you fast forward to today and it goes up to, you see, a $10,000 investment would give you 105,000, right? If you look at a 95,000 profit, you're looking at, right? So that's 900 plus 900% plus right there, move up. So it's hard to get it in the $1 and $2 because you never know, right? We're not psychic. We're taking a chance here by doing our research. But based on the vision of the company, I really feel strongly that going forward, the stock should ride anywhere up in the 30s, if not 40s. And if you look at most of the electronic or electric vehicle, any company to do with anything going electric normally tend to jump as investors start coming in. Now we look at a Tesla was trading back in April for just under $510. It went up as high as $1,000 and 1020. Now we pulled back a few, I think, back in the 900. I didn't check today. If we look at China company for NIO, they also make electric vehicle. Back in April, their stock was trading just around $1.30. I believe today it's trading just over $7.60. I'm in that as well. I jump in just around $1.45, and now I'm up close to 600% in that one as well. So I think the future is kind of telling us for anything that's going green, anything that's electric is where the market is going. Now we look at the trucks right now. It's delivery and courier trucks. Who knows? Later on, we're going to be a huge push for tractor trailer, right? For any company that will come out with anything electric for tractor trailer, believe me, that's one of the biggest cost for any company that's moving any product from point A to point B. It's fuel, right? Everyone is running away from paying that extra cost. And I'm telling you, once if these guys are successful and if they do think about long term going into larger trucks, or if they partner with anyone that's doing larger trucks to share the technology, then you'll definitely see a rise in the stock as well. So for long term, I think there's great upside, there's great potential. Again, I'm not forcing anyone. I push you to do your research and to think about it. It's all here to share. Same as how I came across this company is the same way I'm trying to push it on you. Is that I came across it, I did my research, I take my chances, and now it's bumping here. Now, if it goes over 19, I will exit to take my capital and also my profit, and then I'll leave it as there. Guys, I want to thank you very much for watching this video. As you see, it's going to go over 19 anytime soon, and I want to cash out and make some decision there. Okay, I think my trade is hit at $19 just now, so it just went to $19 high. Okay, guys, now I want to thank you very much for watching this video. Please do your research. If you see any information that you need to clarify, please check on the main website. Again, I'm not a licensed broker. I'm not by any means guiding you on a particular investment. I'm just sharing information as I see it fit in the market. Now, next stock that I want you guys to take a close look at is Blink. Yes, BLNK. That's the ticker symbol. Similar situation. There's Blink charging, right? Everything is going electric now. No, guys. Everyone is thinking about anything in wireless charging or anything is going straight electric. Is the time right now. So anyone that's in the market investing, it's electric vehicle, it's wireless charging, and it's 5G. Right. So again, guys, I want to thank you for watching my video. I appreciate you guys for staying with me and to helping me grow. If you'd like to keep informed about these videos on a daily basis, please like and subscribe and to grow my following. Again, guys, we're doing this together. If you share with me, I share information with you. It's a free process. Again, I would encourage everyone, if you watch the videos, if you like some of the content, the information that I provide, please leave a like or leave a dislike with some information, but please subscribe so we can grow together. Again, guys, we thank you very much. And until next time, peace out.